Once again, hearts and souls will unite in the love of Allah for 3 days. The 57th annual gathering we know as Jalsa Salana will be held on the 28th, 29th and 30th of July in the United Kingdom. MTA International will bring you exclusive live coverage of the event across all its channels and online platforms. Experience the presence and awe-inspiring addresses of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper, across all the days.
इस जलसे को मामूली इंसानी जलसों की तरह ख्याल न करें। ये वो अमर है जिसकी खालिस ताईद हक और एलाए कलमा इस्लाम पर बुनियाद। इस सिलसिले की बुनियादी ईंट खुदा ताला ने अपने हाथ से रखी।
Alongside the Jalsa, MTA will bring you specially curated programming centered on the spread of Islam in the 21st century. From powerful speeches to heartwarming moments of unity, be part of this transformative experience. Beginning with a special broadcast on Thursday the 27th of July and then full coverage of the event across the 3 days after. Don't miss this unique opportunity to connect with the global Ahmadiyya Muslim community.
मुबारक मुबारक हो ये दिन खिलाफत से पुरनूर ये माह ये सिंध.
The 2023 Jalsa Salana United Kingdom, only on MTA International.
ये जलसा हमारा ये दिन बरकतों के